it's the day after Christmas, and I am doing my best to stay awake right now, basically. It's like my first full day back to work and everything, and I had a really busy but fun weekend. I mean, it was great, it was awesome, but just really, really busy. I was running around everywhere. I felt like I was staying up late, like going to bed late and waking up early. And so I'm just like a little exhausted, but I really want to get back into the swing of things and get some good rest and stuff. So I tried really, really hard not to take a nap when I got home, because I don't know about you, but I don't take cat naps. It's just like if I'm going to sleep, I'm going to sleep for like a few hours, and I didn't want to wake up at 8, 9, 10 o'clock at night and get up and just be wide awake. And maybe I start doing stuff, maybe I don't, but then things get put off until tomorrow, and then I end up just like not falling to sleep right away, and then I have to get up early, and then it just repeats itself like this never-ending cycle, and I just can't stand that. So I forced myself not to nap. I'm taking it easy. I'm kind of like, I just washed my dishes, but I'm just kind of taking a break right now, sitting on the couch. So I'm just trying to take it easy and not rush myself. Whatever gets done today will get done, but no nap, because that just throws off my sleep cycle. And I would much rather take these 4 or 5 hours that I have in the evening before I go to bed to do what I need to do, so that I can go to bed at like 8:30, 9 o'clock, which is a little bit earlier for me. I normally don't go to bed or I'm not really sleeping until like 10 o'clock. But if I go to bed like an extra hour and a half earlier today, I think I'll feel really rested, and I'll wake up at my normal wake up time, and I'll feel refreshed, and then work can go smoothly tomorrow. And then you can probably picture what I'm saying, like you'll get back into the swing of things. So sometimes taking a nap is just, it sounds so good, but when you're trying to get yourself back on a sleep schedule, it's like, just stay up, keep yourself slightly busy, and it should help out with, by 8:30 I'm probably gonna be out like a light. So I'm making a little bit of dinner right now. I cleaned up my kitchen, and I still have, let me show you guys, I still have like gift bags and things like that, boxes from gifts that I brought home from visiting family and stuff. So I need to put all of that stuff away. I have my mail tray here. There's so much mail, receipts, and everything that I need to organize. And also, I haven't mailed off AJ's gift yet because he wants cookies. So hair's looking crazy too. But I'm gonna bake him some cookies and mail those off to him tomorrow with his Christmas gift. So just slowly getting things cleaned up. This is kind of like my GYST day, getting back into the swing of things after the holidays, and getting back on schedule. So I'm gonna clean up these bags in here. Otherwise my place is pretty clean, because I just want it nice and neat for Christmas and stuff. But now that I have like bags here, I want to put those away, put my gifts away, and make cookies for AJ for tomorrow, so I can, like, you can see all my stuff in the back. I have a bunch of baking stuff out still, and gonna eat some dinner in probably about 20-30 minutes or so, and which is good because it's only 6 o'clock right now. So if I can eat dinner by 6:30, that'll be great. And then take a shower, wash my face, brush my hair, get into some pajamas, and get into bed. Oh my gosh, sounds so dreamy. So if you guys want to see me kind of get things cleaned up and organized, I also should do a couple things before I go to bed tonight. I want to just go check my Wells Fargo account, do a little budgeting, rent's due next week, things of that nature. There's certain bills that are due later in the month, like my electric bill. So pay a couple bills and look at my money, look at what's going on. so I can, budget for meal prep and going to the grocery store because my fridge is like basically empty. I'm eating leftovers, and I just made some macaroni and cheese to like go with my side, be my side or whatever. But yeah, so do a budget, and I need to make a nail appointment. I need to text one of my friends. We're supposed to have dinner this weekend or get together because she's in town. What else? I had my notebook saves my life all the time. But make a nail appointment, do my budget, make AJ's cookies / care package, text dinner, have dinner with Ashley, or make plans with Ashley for dinner. And then I don't know if I'll get to this today. Today was the day that I planned to do it, but planning like my content for YouTube and Instagram for probably maybe at least the first month, of course. But if I can kind of figure out what I want to do for the first 2 or 3 months with YouTube, that would be great. Just get some ideas out there. Just so tonight I did not plan on filming at all, but I wanted to do this because, oops, my oven. Just leave that right there. But I wanted to do this video versus waiting for the next time. I'm exhausted, and I don't know, this is like in real time getting my stuff together type of video, and there's no better time than like the present when you're actually going through it. I think it's more relatable. You can really share what it is that you're doing, so that's why I'm filming this video tonight. Oops, sorry, I almost dropped you. But I don't know when this will be edited at all. Maybe not, of course not tonight, but maybe tomorrow or Friday I'll edit this and get it up. But yeah, I didn't plan on filming. I just completed 25 consecutive days of editing and filming and uploading to YouTube, and that's amazing. Thank you to you guys for watching, supporting me through that. I just kind of put my head down, hunkered down, and did it, and I'm so extremely proud of myself. Like, I really am. I've never done anything like that before, and it's the most I've ever been active on YouTube, so I'm just really happy and proud of myself, and it was really, really fun, and I enjoyed it, and I will do it again. But yeah, planned on taking a break today, but I'm filming right now just because, one, it's keeping me a little bit distracted and thinking about sleep, and two, this is, like I said, a real moment in my life where I'm trying to just get it together, and hopefully tomorrow I won't regret this decision. Like, I didn't take a nap, I got my dishes done, I made my appointments, did my budgeting, and I'm good to go for the rest of the week. And I won't feel so stressed out this weekend, and I can probably like take a full day of rest, like Saturday or Sunday or whatever. So if you guys just want to hang out with me for a bit, I'll time lapse some cooking, some baking, some cleaning, some getting on ready. I have some really cute pajamas that my mom bought me for Christmas that I may slip into a little bit later and have dinner with me and things of that nature, watching Grey's Anatomy at the moment. Then yeah, I'd be happy to have you guys hang out with me tonight. So thank you guys so much for watching. If I don't outro this video, I love you guys so much, and I'm so happy my $5 off is at my next appointment, so happy. So let me call them right now so I can schedule for Saturday, because if you can see, your girl needs a fill, okay? garbage to take out over there. Still have cookie stuff out because AJ's cookies, I didn't get to those tonight. But the living room is back in order. I have some of the things I'm sending him over here, and my mail tray is here because I still got my cooling pans for baking over there. But and then there's two gifts over there that I haven't found a place for yet, but I did take out my pajama shirt. But at least everything is clear and out of the way here. Still got this sticker on me, but I love this nightshirt. Thanks, Mom. I put some shorts on under here, but you could just definitely wear it like a nightgown. It's super soft and cozy and kind of thin, but like not in a cheap way, like in a good way, like it's breathable. So I think I'm gonna be nice and comfy in this, and I feel good. I've showered, my skin looks good, moisturized and everything. It is 10 minutes to 9, so I said I wanted to be asleep or in the bed around 8:30, 9 o'clock. Scheduled my nail appointment. My best friend and I are going to have dinner on Saturday as well. So I work, get my nails done, have dinner with her, and then I'm just gonna take a quick look at my bank and pay a couple bills. It's kind of late, but I do really want to take care of that before I go to bed, so it's off my to-do list. And so tomorrow, all I have to worry about is getting AJ's gift together and mailed off. And then I think that is the last that I had to like get done as far as urgency. But tomorrow and Friday, I could start doing my planning for, you know, social media, YouTube, stuff like that, and look at what my first couple weeks of the new year is gonna look like as far as work. So I'm excited. I'm gonna hop in to bed probably with one of my new books. So, because even though I am tired, as soon as I lay down and turn the lights off, I may not fall asleep. So just in case I don't, I'm gonna put this book on my nightstand. If you haven't seen my winter book haul, go check that out. I uploaded that on Sunday, and I took you guys to one of my favorite bookstores. So if you haven't seen that, go check that out. Go see the books that I bought. But other than that, that's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this GYST day, getting my ish together day, and I hope that you have an awesome and productive week. Love you guys. Mwah.